Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Progress. My name is Corey, and today we're going to be taking a look at some smart home products. We're going to be taking a look at the Philips Hue line of home illumination devices that you can purchase. They are fairly pricey, and we're going to try and see if they are worth that price. So basically what I got is the Philips Hue starter kit, the Philips Hue Go Lite, and the Philips Hue Bloom floodlight. I thought I could use these for the channel to kind of pretty up the background and some lighting for some B-roll and that. So anyway, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to unbox them so you can see what's inside the packaging, see what you get for your money. And then in a couple of weeks, I'll have a video up for you doing a full review on it. If you want to see that, please get subscribed to the channel and ring the notification icon so that you know when the video comes up. And what I'll do is I'll try and get the most in-depth review I can for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple of weeks, use them in some videos, try and see what their ups and their downs are, some caveats with them, and then I'll be able to give you some good pointers and a good full review on how they work. So anyway, let's get into unboxing them, and we will see what comes with them. All right, so let's start with the starter kit. I'll put these off to the side for now. And basically, the starter kit is what you would use for getting started with it, obviously. But this comes with the hub that you need to control all the lighting in your home and basically have everything sync up together. So let's open up the box here and we'll see what comes with it. Okay, so inside the box we basically have a smart hub. The smart hub has, it looks like it's wall mountable. It has a 5-volt DC port on it, as well as a LAN port for plugging into your network. And yeah, basically that's it. It's got a little button on top. I'll try and figure out what that's for, and in the review that I do, I'll let you know. It comes with a manual. It comes with a second manual. I'm sure one's a safety thing and one's a manual, or actually maybe they're different languages. Anyway, 2 little booklets that you're probably not going to use anyway. As well as it comes with 4 color light bulbs. So these can be any hue of white or color, 16 million different colors. So it comes with these light bulbs, this plastic packaging here, and lay it in there like that. So then it comes with 2 more light bulbs in the box. In fact, I'll just leave those in there, and they can go there. And then you got a little accessory box here. And you've got a universal plug, it looks like. Looks like you could change that for different countries. Mine comes with the North American one because I'm in North America. So basically just a power adapter. And a Cat 5e network cable. And that is it for the box. So that is what comes in the Philips Hue starter kit. So what you're paying for is 4 light bulbs, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and the hub itself. Moving on, let's take a look at the Philips Hue Go Lite. So this will hook up to the same hub from the last box, and it's supposed to be portable with a rechargeable battery in it that you can take anywhere. So if you want to bring it outside, you want to bring it in the house, you want to bring it in the basement, you want to bring it in the theater room, wherever you want to bring it for some ambient lighting, you're supposed to be able to do that. So anyway, let's take a look and see what's inside here. So we have, there's nothing inside there, just a fancy box. We have, oh, this thing's actually fairly heavy. All right, piece of plastic stuck to it. That's going to be hard to get off, it's all staticky. So this is it. This is the Philips Hue Go Lite. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought it was. Fits right in the palm of my hand here. Let's see, so anything else come in the box? Oh yeah, there we go. Inside here is a North American power adapter for charging it. And stuck down here, get rid of that. Got a quick start guide, fairly big one, unlike the starter kit, which came with nothing, as well as the instruction booklet for it in different language. Oh, we got a instruction booklet and again safety rules. So that's it for the Go Lite. Okay, so moving on to the Bloom Light. The Bloom Light is a floodlight that you're supposed to be able to take around, plug it in, and put it anywhere. So let's take a look at this and see what we get inside the box here. Basically, you get a little booklet with it. Wow, that is tiny. I thought this thing was going to be like a hefty floodlight. It's about the size of a par 30 bulb. I think it basically is just a par 30 bulb with a metal stand on it, which actually is kind of cool. It's not, oh, that's plastic, that's metal. So the backing for this has is a metal backing, and then it's got a plastic stand on it, but the metal backing does give it some weight, some heft, so it's not going to be flopping around all over the place. And then we have the instruction booklets for it, as well as, like the other three, or the other two, the power adapter. So by the looks of it, you can take this, it doesn't unplug or anything, the power adapter is permanently in there. So by the looks of it, you can take this, you can plug it in anywhere and use your app to change it to any one of 16 million different colors for different lighting. So if you had one of these or multiple of these, you could add some nice ambience to any room. So anyway, that's it for the unboxings. We will take a look and see if anything is worthwhile and if you should buy it, and I'll have that video out to you soon. So for all the money I spent, basically once you throw away all the packaging, this is what you get. So you have the Bloom Light, the starter kit, as well as the Go Lite. So I'm going to take a look at these products and I'll do a full review on them. I'll have it up for you in a couple of weeks. So get subscribed to the channel, ring the notification icon so that you are notified when the video comes up. And I'll give you my honest opinion on whether or not I think they're worth the hefty price tag or not. So anyway, thank you very much for tuning into Tech Progress. My name is Corey, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like the video and you want to see some more content, please get subscribed, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.